Tolerance isn't quite the same thing as rounding, but they are related in mathematics. When you're rounding a number, you're making a number easier to calculate. You're making sure that when you are before adding or subtracting or when talking about something, you're giving a number that is easier to understand. 8,623 versus 9,000. 9,000 is easier to think about. Tolerance is a bit like that when it comes to the actual answer you're giving. So, for instance, you might get a question that says, add these two numbers together and we'll accept your answer with a tolerance of 5. Let's say, for example, I have a question 86 plus 93. Now, that one there, if I was going to round my values, I might round 86 to 90, and I draw 93 to 90 as well. I add them together, I get 180. As it happens, when I add these two numbers together, the answer is 179. If I said that the tolerance was 5, this one is absolutely within the bounds. It's correct. This is my actual number. And with a tolerance of 5, I would expect to have 179 minus 5, 74, or 179 plus 5, which is 184. These two values from 174 to 184. Let's see, that is the accepted range of answers. Because the answer was actually 179 and my estimate was 180, I'm within the tolerance of this question. There are other examples of tolerance that can happen in manufacturing or in surveys. And in surveys, if you're taking a survey of a population, you're counting people, and you might miss a few on your count. It happens. We're human. We make mistakes. If I have a tolerance, I have this allowability to be a bit off of the exact number, and that's okay. For instance, let's say I take a survey of some people. In the survey, there were actually 1,752 people. And when I did my count, I counted as an estimate, I counted 1,780 people. What the people who gave you the survey might say to you is, we're going to ask you to estimate how many people there are with a tolerance of 10%. So in order to find out what your boundaries are, you first have to find out what is 10% of 1,752. If you take 10%, I need to divide by 10 to find out what it is. So 10% of 1,752 is 175 and 2 tenths. So to find the tolerance, I'm going to take this number here, 1,752, subtract that number, and I'm going to take 1,752 and add that number. You'll see pretty quickly that my number here that I estimated is well within the tolerance that the company's given me. It's going to be as little as, well, let's just say I can already see this is almost 200 less, almost 200 more, and that is well within my tolerance. Tolerance is about the least and the most you can expect, and go with that. You'll find out if your value is correct enough for everyone.